How getting paid to download apps works. Developers pay GPT or reward websites to upload their apps and promote them for feedback. In turn, these GPT sites will pay members for downloading and testing apps. The rewards could be cash or points, which are later converted to gift cards, sweepstakes entries, or cash. If you love using the internet, then one of the things you may want to do is rating apps. There are lots of smartphone apps as well as browser apps out there. These applications make life easier for users. They perform the specified purposes for the users. In this video we will see 6 best app that will pays you once you download. Stay with me up to the end of the video. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe this channel for more interesting video like this. Let's dive in. 6 best apps that will pays you when download. The following are some of the best and most genuine apps that really pay you just to download. 1. AppKarma. AppKarma is one of the very genuine platforms that pay you to download and play with apps. You can download this app to your device, complete offers, and get rewarded when you use it. It is stated on the general FAQs page that you can earn rewards by completing app offers, installing apps and meeting the offers requirements, reach level 10. Earning scratch cards by completing Karma plays, completing playtime offers, Android only, earning location rewards, US only, referring people to AppKarma. You can even become a VIP and earn a lot more. Yes, it's really one of the best apps that pay you for completing app offers and other related activities. You earn points and bonuses for any of the above activities you complete with this company. Once you accumulate enough points, you then redeem them for PayPal cash or top brand gift cards. AppKarma offers a sign-up bonus of 300 points and you can earn up to $15 per month. One of the best ways to earn more with AppKarma is by participating in their referral program. You invite family and friends to join using your referral link. When your referrals earn from AppKarma, you can earn up to 30% of their earnings. AppKarma is a membership platform to which you can upgrade to a VIP membership and increase your referral earnings to 40%. If you have a strong social media presence and a blog, then you can join the VIP referral program to make money. AppKarma can be installed on your Android or iOS device. 2. AppNana. AppNana is another genuine app that pays you to download apps. You earn virtual points known as nanas and redeem them for gift cards or paid apps. Over the years, members of this platform have earned over $10 million in games gift cards and credits. The features of this app include: download free apps from Nana offers to earn nanas, receive Nana points and redeem them for gift cards, get 400 daily points just by coming back every day, invite friends to get more points. So, AppNana allows you to access free cool apps, and you get paid to try them. You can also get paid by joining the referral program of this app. If you have a large social media following or a blog or website with high traffic, then you can leverage this to make money with AppNana referrals. AppNana can be installed on both iOS and Android devices. Remember, you must open the apps after installing them. 3. BoomGift. BoomGift is another company that allows you to make money downloading apps. You earn points each time you complete tasks with this platform. Accumulated points can be exchanged for real rewards like gift cards. You will also make money completing other tasks like watching movies. This platform boasts of different kinds of tasks from which you can make money from. These include taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and downloading apps. Aside from the various ways of making money with BoomGift, you should know that this company has a high payout rate. It also offers a referral program where you can earn up to 30%. To make the most of BoomGift, you can follow these steps: open BoomGift and click the Earn Points button. Do tasks and get points. After collecting enough points, you can redeem points to gift cards. 4. FeaturePoints. FeaturePoints is another genuine and popular mobile app that allows users to complete tasks and get paid. With this app, you earn points by completing surveys, shopping at your favorite stores including Walmart, Sephora, Gap, and 100s more. Also, you can sign up to try free games and download apps. The new apps section is refreshed daily, so you have enough apps to download and earn. You simply need to check back daily for new apps available. Also, you can share FeaturePoints with friends and earn points. In the referral program, you can earn up to 50% every time your friend earns points, for life. Once you have accumulated enough points, you can redeem them on a huge selection of gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, Xbox, Nintendo eShop, PlayStation, Starbucks, and more. Or, you can choose to redeem your points for PayPal Cash or Bitcoin. FeaturePoints is available for smartphone and web browsers. So, you can earn points just from anywhere. 5. Free My Apps. Free My Apps is another well-known platform that allows you to earn credits by downloading new apps and games. Once you have earned enough credits, you then redeem them for gift cards. Free My Apps has rewarded members with more than $27 million worth of gift cards since it was founded. There are over 50 types of gift cards to choose from. These include gift cards from top brands like iTunes, Google Play, and Amazon. You can sign up with this platform to discover new apps and games. 6. Cash for Apps. Cash for Apps is another platform that pays you for downloading new apps on your mobile device. Once you sign up with this site, you can start downloading apps of your choice for free. You collect points for every app you download and test out. After collecting enough points, you then exchange them for a gift card of your choice. There are diverse brands of gift cards you can get for free when you redeem your points for gift cards. These include gift cards from Apple, Google, Amazon, Xbox, Best Buy, Starbucks, GameStop, CVS, and eBay. Other brands of gift cards you may exchange your points for are Walmart, Target, Gap, Tryon, Rite, Skype, and Old Navy. With Cash for Apps, 300 points equal $1. This is the minimum points you can reach and start redeeming your gift card for valuable rewards. You collect points faster on Cash for Apps if you invite your friends to download new apps on the platform. If your friend uses your referral code to register, he/she will receive 20 points. Also, you will receive 90 points once your friend downloads his/her first app. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.